This is the world premiere of the Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ 2026, a compact SUV that dares to carry the legendary Land Cruiser name into a whole new era. It is bold, adventurous, and unlike anything you have seen before. Imagine the spirit of a full-size off-roader condensed into a nimble, city-friendly machine ready to dominate streets and trails alike. Prepare to witness a micro off-road legend in the making right now. Welcome, dear friends and car enthusiasts from all around the world. Thank you for clicking on this video and joining me for this exciting moment. I truly hope you are blessed with happiness, success, and the chance to achieve your dreams. Today, I am honored to share this remarkable debut with you, because the Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ 2026 is not just a car, it is a statement for adventure seekers everywhere. Life is too short to drive something ordinary. When you believe in your dreams and work hard to reach them, extraordinary things can happen. This Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ 2026 is a perfect reminder that even in a smaller package, greatness can shine through. Let this moment inspire you to chase your own adventures, to explore, and to keep moving forward with passion and determination. From the outside, the Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ 2026 captures your attention instantly. The bold grille with the iconic Land Cruiser badge, the muscular wheel arches, and the compact yet powerful stance tell you this SUV means business. Its rugged body lines are balanced with a modern twist, making it equally at home in the city or on rough mountain roads. This design is both a nod to heritage and a leap into the future. Step inside and you are greeted by a cabin that combines toughness with modern comfort. Premium materials cover the seats and dashboard, while the layout is clean, intuitive, and driver-focused. The elevated seating position offers a commanding view, and clever storage solutions make every inch count. This is a small SUV, but it feels spacious, welcoming, and ready to support your journey wherever it leads. Under the hood, the Mini Land Cruiser FJ 2026 surprises with its turbocharged hybrid powertrain. It delivers an impressive balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for both long drives and daily commutes. With its advanced suspension and all-wheel drive system, it handles tough terrain like a champion. Whether you are crossing muddy trails or cruising down the highway, this micro SUV is built to perform. Toyota has equipped the Mini Land Cruiser FJ 2026 with cutting-edge safety and technology features. You get advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision prevention. The infotainment system is seamless, with smartphone integration, voice control, and a crisp display. Every trip becomes safer, smarter, and more enjoyable thanks to these thoughtful innovations. Despite its compact size, the Mini Land Cruiser FJ 2026 offers remarkable comfort and practicality. The seats are supportive for long journeys, climate control keeps you at ease in any weather, and the cargo space is surprisingly generous. Foldable rear seats expand the room for gear or groceries, making this SUV as functional for daily life as it is for weekend escapes into the wild. The Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ 2026 is expected to be competitively priced, delivering exceptional value for an SUV that blends heritage, technology, and versatility. It is a rare chance to own a vehicle with legendary DNA without the massive size or price tag. For those who want adventure and reliability in a manageable package, this is an investment that will keep giving back for years to come. The Land Cruiser name carries decades of history as one of the most trusted and capable off-road vehicles in the world. Now, Toyota is bringing that legacy into a new dimension with the Mini Land Cruiser FJ 2026. It is inspired by the beloved FJ models of the past, but redesigned for the modern era. This is not just a tribute, it is the evolution of an icon for a new generation of drivers. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this exciting reveal. I hope this journey through the world premiere of the Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ 2026 has inspired you. Remember, life is a road full of possibilities. Choose the path that excites you, that challenges you, and that brings you joy. Keep chasing your dreams, because one day you will arrive at the destination you have always imagined. If you enjoyed this world premiere and want to see more amazing cars like the Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ 2026, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who love cars. Together, we will explore the latest designs, the boldest innovations, and the most exciting automotive stories. Stay tuned, stay motivated, and never stop driving toward your dreams.